In today's episode for my new mini-series for the scrapbook.com cardstock collection, we will be going through the colors for the heavyweight cardstock and comparing those to each other. So if that sounds interesting to you, stick around. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. This is my new mini-series to go over the scrapbook.com cardstock, and in today's episode we will be going through the heavyweight cardstock, and there are 25 colors to look through. And this cardstock is 100 pound and it is gorgeous. Okay, so again, for the heavyweight cardstock, this is 100 pound and there are 25 colors. And this is a really great weight for substantial card bases. So this is very, very tough. This is the classic, which is at 80. It's sturdy. But this is like very hard to bend, so I think you'll be very happy with the quality of these. Alright, let's go through the colors. So first we have Cardinal, and it's that perfect Cardinal red. So gorgeous. And I love this one with the Barn Red. So these are great. And then we have the Rose Chintz, and those look great together. Look at that, especially those. All right, next into the oranges, we have Candied Yam. I love that, that's so funny. What a great color. And then we have Burnt Orange. And then for the yellows, we have Antique Gold, which I like that. That's a nice yellow shade. And then here's a bright one, Lemon Sorbet. And then more of that kind of mustardy tone. So we have Sunshine. And here's for the greens. Here's another bright one. This is Lemon Lime. Alright, into the blues and blue greens first. We have Pale Aqua. I love this one. Look at this. Celery. It's kind of that gray green. And then look at this beautiful color. This is Tropical Sea. And now for the greens, we have Herb Garden. It's perfect. This would be an amazing color for foliage. And then this beautiful Kelly Green. So beautiful. Alright, and check this one out. Twilight. Gorgeous. I love this one. And then we have Moonstone Blue. Strong Blue. This is very bright. And also very bright is this Cyan. And then we have a Deep Blue. And then for our neutrals, we have Cobblestone, Shale, Slate, Battleship Gray. I love that. Those are the grays. And then for the browns, we have Java and Dark Molasses. Look how dark that is. It's gorgeous. Okay, so here are our 25 colors for the heavyweight cardstock. This is a really good value. This is really sturdy cardstock. I will link over in the description box and over on my blog at EGI Designs. I will put in there the bundle pack. You can also go purchase each of these individually. They come in 12 by 12 sheets. So if you just, if you really like the barn red, you can just go grab a sheet of that. I think the bundles right now are sold out, so make sure you put your name on the notify list so that you can be notified when those come back in. If you've enjoyed our walkthrough today of this heavyweight cardstock, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. And make sure you're notified so that you get an alert when I put out the next episode of this mini series for the heavyweight cardstock. There are 4 other packs besides the heavyweight to go through, so if you click on that, then you will be notified when they come out. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and I will put at the end screen the playlist for this mini series for the cardstock, and I will also put there my card making playlist so you can check out any projects and any inspiration that I use this new cardstock with. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye-bye.